In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language on TradingView. By the end, your TradingView interface will display in the language you're most comfortable with, making charts, tools, and settings much easier to navigate. First, make sure you're on a TradingView chart page in your browser. Look toward the top left corner of the screen for your profile area. This is usually your avatar, a small photo, or your initials inside a circle. Click that profile icon to open the account menu. If you don't immediately see it, confirm you're on the main chart view rather than a separate page, and that the browser window isn't zoomed in so far that elements are hidden. Once the menu is visible, you're in the right place. Next, move your mouse over the language option in that account menu. Don't click just yet, simply hover your cursor over language to reveal the full list of available languages. On most setups, hovering is enough, and the submenu will slide open. If you're on a device or browser where hover doesn't behave as expected, a single click on language may expand the list. Either way, you should now see a broad selection of languages supported by TradingView. Finally, choose the language you prefer from that list. Click once on the language name, and TradingView will switch the interface for you. In many cases, the page will refresh automatically, or you might see a brief loading indicator as the platform updates menus, buttons, and panel labels. After this quick refresh, the entire interface, including the main toolbar, chart controls, settings dialogues, and other navigation items, should appear in the language you selected. Market data and ticker symbols will remain unchanged, but the platform's labels and prompts will reflect your new choice. If you accidentally pick the wrong language, don't worry. The profile icon stays in the same spot, so you can repeat the exact same process. Click the profile icon again, hover over language, and select the right one. Even if the labels are now in a different language, the menu layout and icon positions remain consistent, which makes switching back straightforward. That's all there is to it. Opening your profile menu, hovering over language, and selecting your preferred option is the quickest way to make TradingView feel familiar and easy to use. Take a moment to scan a few menus and panels to be sure everything looks right. If something hasn't updated, a quick page refresh usually completes the change. Enjoy navigating charts and settings in your chosen language, and keep exploring features now that everything reads the way you expect.